Pain is inevitable. Suffering is optional. You as an elite athlete live on the edge. Your daily life is a constant battle against cortisol, inflammation, and pressure to perform. But what if I told you that the secret to breaking your own record lies not just in physical training, but in shifting your internal frequency? While your opponents operate on the frequency of chaos and exhaustion, you are going to learn how to command your nervous system to unlock superhuman recovery. Let's hack your biology. High-intensity training is a controlled chaos for the body. It generates microtears and releases an avalanche of catabolic hormones, primarily cortisol. The problem isn't the training, it's what happens after. If you live in a state of alert, fight or flight mode, your body cannot enter repair mode. The result? Overtraining, chronic injuries, and stagnation. You are training hard, but on the wrong frequency to grow. This is where the frequency of recovery comes in the biohacking of champions. Modern science confirms that specific sound frequencies, like 432 Hz, resonate with the planet's natural heartbeat and have the power to rapidly induce a state of deep relaxation. By listening to 432 Hz during rest intervals or immediately after training, you drastically reduce cortisol levels, inhibit inflammation, and signal to your parasympathetic nervous system. It is time to repair. You are not just resting, you are activating your biological machinery of self-healing. Here is the protocol to master the chaos today. Immediate post-training. As soon as you finish your workout, in the first 5 to 10 minutes of cool down, put on headphones and listen to the 432 Hz frequency. Conscious breathing. Synchronize your breathing with the beat of the music. Inhale for 4 seconds and hold for 6, and exhale for 8. Maintain total focus on cellular recovery. This will accelerate your transition from a catabolic state, destruction, to an anabolic state, construction. Being a champion is managing energy better than anyone else. The chaos is not an enemy. It is just a frequency you need to learn to tune into. If you want to accelerate your recovery and dominate the game, subscribe to Healing Space and follow the series What Frequency Do Champions Vibrate At? Comment below, I control my frequency. See you in the next episode.